guess what we have today? We have a, you ready? We have a giveaway. STARFRIT was nice enough to send me this beautiful, beautiful all-in-one pot. Now, if you've been following me on my channel, you know that I love using the rock pans. They are simply amazing. I love them. And I'm going to show you what this one looks like. If I could just open it up. It's the first time I'm using it. I was going to make a recipe for you guys, but because too many things happened at one time, I wasn't able to do the video when I wanted to do it. So I messaged a wonderful lady that sent me this pot, and she said, yes, go ahead and do the video. And there's going to be one as a giveaway. So I have to thank you. Thank you, Claire. You're awesome. So I wanted to make a recipe, but unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to do it. So what I'm going to do is show you the pot today, and we're going to turn this into a review giveaway. And then this week, or early next, I'm going to cook something in it, or maybe even tomorrow if I get a chance. I'm going to cook something in it and show you how wonderful this pot really is. Now, I love the rock pots, and as you know, I use them quite often. I also use their knives. I'm going to show you what their knives look like. These are the rock knives. Beautiful, beautiful black knives. That's the ones that I use all the time. And this is the pot that she sent me, and it's an all-in-one. It's not electric, it's manual. It goes on top of the stove, but it is simply amazing. It's just a beautiful, beautiful pot. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. And you get, let's see, what comes with this pot. 15-minute recipes in this booklet. So that's what the inside of the rock looks like. It has like almost like a bumpy surface, and when I say nothing sticks, nothing sticks. The outside of the pot is a beautiful red. There you go, that's the outside. And let me just pop up these clips, and it has a beautiful lid on the pot. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like this way. So there is the pot, handles on the side. Nice stainless steel handle, nice and heavy too, and it has a place where it releases the steam. And inside of the pot, it is made out of the same material that all the rock pots are made of. Nice big pot. It's a nice large pot, so you can do everything in this. So I have one similar to this, same size. You can make sauce in it. You can make stir fries in it. There's so many recipes you can make in this. So I am going to make a recipe. Hopefully tomorrow I'm going to show you how great this pot is. But like I said, I use these all the time, and I simply love them. So now, to be able to win this pot, guys, you have to be, number one, subscribe to my channel. Number two, you have to click like. And number three, you have to put a comment below the video, and that's how your name gets counted in to be able to win this beautiful pot. And I have to thank Claire again for always supporting my channel. And not only does she support my channel, but she's always nice enough to send an extra one for my subscribers. Not only does she send me one to review, but she sends an extra one to a winner on my channel. So I got to thank you, Claire, for always being there for me. And I have to thank you guys, because without you guys, I'm not able to do things like this. And when I do a review, I don't make it unless I believe in the product. We make seitan out of this. This is perfect for seitan meat. This is great to make a roast. This is great to make seitan cutlets. This is great to make my seitan meatballs. You could even make the sauce and cook the meatballs in this pot. So when I make a review, guys, I make a review because I believe in the product. If I don't believe in the product, I refuse them. I tell them don't even bother sending me the item, because I don't believe in making reviews like that. Someone was willing to send me not long ago a $500 scale to lose weight. I'm not here to promote losing weight. I'm here to promote a healthy vegan diet. And if you do eat a healthy vegan diet, the weight comes off. So I don't have to push scales so people can starve themselves. I like to promote pots like this beautiful STARFRIT rock pot where you could actually make delicious food. You could cook an abundance of food in here and feed your family. That's what I believe in. So if I believe in the product, I am going to make a review. So there you go. I'm going to let this video run for 2 weeks before we pull the name so everybody has a chance to put their name on the video. Okay, so let's look and see. There's a booklet that comes with this beautiful pot. And what a beautiful color too. I'm sorry, the way I have the camera set, you only get to see the top of the pot. But it really is a beautiful, beautiful pot. So whoever's going to win this is going to love, love, love this pot. So now, this pot also comes with a booklet. There we go. And this booklet has, I think, some recipes. There you go. Look at that, beans. See? Oh, leave the bacon out of it, but there you go. You've got recipes, and if you see any animal products in it, all you have to do is replace that animal product with something, either beans or some seitan, and you have some ideas on what to cook in this beautiful pot. And it tells you exactly what temperature to put your burner at. So you do get a little recipe book with this pot. I love these products, and I use them every day. If I'm cooking, I'm using the rock. That is what I use at home. So I will promote this. And it is really a beautiful product. So remember, guys, you have to be subscribed to my channel, like the video, comment below the video. And if you share it on Facebook, Twitter, anywhere else, come back after you've already commented. Come back, make a brand new comment with your name and your link, and you get a second chance to be able to win this product. So like I said, I didn't have time to make a recipe. I will. There's going to be part 3 to this where I'm going to show you what I'm going to cook in it. But basically, you've seen me cook in my pots all the time because that's what I basically use, and I use the rock pots. So I'm going to say good luck to all of you, and I'm going to say thank you for being part of my channel. And I love doing what I do because of you guys. And I love companies like STARFRIT, who supports me and is such an awesome company that they always give me an extra one so I can make one of you guys happy. So I'm going to say good luck to all of you. I'm going to say thank you, Claire, again. And guess what, guys? I'm going to see you soon with a recipe in this pot. So good luck to everyone.
For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Connie's RAWsome Kitchen, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.